Welcome back. We're making a video about measurement device. My name is Adreno.
My name is Jaya.
Hello guys, what are you doing? What is the function of this multimeter?
So before we use this we need to know if this function. We need to fit this to wire, and if we can make a sound, we work or function. So before we need to test that before we take a measure or get other things and adjust it like this, and we fix it again. So we need to make it until zero, and select it zero. So we can when we take a measure, we can get a accurate result. So that's the function of this meter.
Voltage is the function of multimeter.
Yeah.
Excuse me, I always wonder how to use multimeter in real life.
This is easy. So this multimeter, you want to regulate the voltage and the current. Then you want to regulate the means this, and when we take the measure, we can look from this that first, and we want to in the value, we can adjust it and for this like 50 measure or 70, we can get the result, the point.
Oh, các bạn đi theo khói
là tiro bang.
นะคะไปทำนาย
Nggak bisa bahasa Inggris.